My neighbor told us. How pretty.
Put it back right?
No.
And I've been cutting
That's
down.
a lot of crab in
Both my
there.
children played.
I can say that. I'm hungry. Okay.
What I was saying. Well, which one is it? So that's good, and then this one is good too.
Yeah. Yeah, because I remember we went to that chocolate place over there, and they had what, like blueberry mascarpone, gelato.
Right.
They had gelato in the chocolate place, but I don't know if the ice cream is like ice cream, or if it's like ice cream, but they really want gelato.
No, I think it's actually ice cream. Okay, so is this the ferry?
Yeah. Look at the little cat.
This sort of fits the lady who told us to come here.
Yeah.
Sort of fits her.
Oh, those are cute.
My goodness.
Okay. That is so cute. And here goes another ice cream place right there. And there goes the kid who was throwing out the... No, that's not it. Look how big it is.
Oh, they have caramel apples too.
Oh, Johnny loves
Caramel apple. What's a chocolate breakup bar? Fudge square.
They even have boba tea.
Hot chocolate, hot tea, the classic.
They even have a Golden Gate vanilla and chocolate ice cream, strawberry syrup on hot fudge. That's just a regular float. They just trying to mess with you.
Yeah, they're trying to get in your head.
Okay. They're trying to get in your head.
Oh, this is the burger place.
Oh, burger?
Oh yeah, she said across the street from the burger, or no, on the same. She said on the same street as the burger place.
So that would be
that
it.
one.
Best burgers.
Yes.
In
Oh,
Napa.
says here. Oh, in 2024.
Hey, that's pretty good. Napa Valley Burger Company, best burgers. Okay, well, we're not in Napa.
Ooh, potato puffs.
Potato fries. They have regular fries. They have waffle fries. I don't know how I feel.
Ooh, what time do they open?
They had a place called like Lola's or something down there, remember?
Do you want to walk down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Since we got the
Got 2
times.
hours. Well, that's Swiss chard right there.
Just
Tell you one thing about coming on a Wednesday.
you come on
Not a
Wednesday.
lot of people are here, but that burger shop is really. And that is one of the easiest. The ferry is the easiest way to get from San Francisco to Sausalito. You don't have to worry about parking or anything. Just ride over on the ferry, and they come across quite often. So you won't have to worry about waiting around all day for the ferry to show up. There's the ferry.
Get a picture of the bird. So catchy. So catchy. Oh, no, you don't want it. ocean. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. That's how the song goes. And yeah, everybody did think it was terrible. 50% off entire inventory.
Yeah. I got a place that's even cheaper.
Timu? No.
No, I was thinking of, oh, look at that. That's nice.
Ooh, I want to go in here. I want to go here.
I think you are in there.
Yep. Where they at though? Oh, it's just right here. Store closing sale. Oh no, what's wrong? What happened? Look, and it got so serious. They said no ice cream. Did you see that sign?
Wow.
No ice cream,
4
please.
minutes. 4 minutes.
Oh, okay.
This is it.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try it. Look at this one. Look at this one.
The sorbet?
No, this one. Is that what you were just looking at?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Can I have a small cup of the Nuku Hiba?
Coconut pineapple ice cream with brownie pieces and raspberry sorbet.
This is popular.
Let's get it.
Yeah. Ooh, I knew we were gonna make it. I knew we were gonna make it.
We're making it.
I knew we were gonna make it. I knew we were gonna make it.
Go now.
Okay. Okay. Trying to show my ice cream. I don't think I'm able to.
Oh, did you take a picture of that one?
I did.
Oh.
I'll take another thing right here. Okay, we gotta go.
Well, no, we gotta, I can put 15 minutes on.
Yeah, but 15 minutes is too much.
I know, but I don't wanna.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, good.
You're catching the ferry?
No, we're just trying to, the parking meter.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah,
okay,
we're trying
no.
not to put 15 extra minutes on it.
That was our 2 minutes, by the way. No. And we're in a rush, and he's like, you know what? I want to have a conversation. You guys ever talk about your feelings?